What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another Amazon favorites. I'm super excited for this because I feel like I always gather up like more must-haves, more Amazon favorites as the weeks go on. I am embarrassed to say I'm always on Amazon. I always have a delivery literally ringing my doorbell and it's just like the sticker, Amazon Prime. Like, I'm obsessed. It's a little bit ridiculous to this point where like sometimes I don't even remember what I ordered. That's how bad it is. But there are so many items from Amazon that have become staples. I shared with you guys my favorites last time and there's just even more that I'm absolutely obsessed with that I'm super excited to share. Before we do get into the Amazon favorites, I do want to give a quick shout out to Top Cashback because they are sponsoring today's video. So huge shout out to them. If you don't know what Top Cashback is, you can pretty much get paid for shopping. Which, hello, hi, that's everything. Listen, the way I look at it is I'm gonna shop anyways, so I might as well get some money back and some cash back through Top Cashback. Wow, that was like a mouthful. You can shop everything from home decor, makeup, clothing. There are so much variety on Top Cashback. So before we go any further, I want to give a quick shout out to the Top Cashback browser extension. Make sure you guys go ahead and install this because it makes it that much easier to get cash back while you shop. Now, when it comes to Amazon, there are only certain categories that are eligible, but there's so many categories that are eligible, to be honest with you. You can actually check out which specific ones are eligible on the Amazon page through the Top Cashback site. So definitely check that out. I just think it's incredible that you can get money back because like I said, I'm gonna shop anyways. Like if we're keeping it real, I am going to shop anyways. So I might as well get money back in the process. Let's be real. So I've been using Top Cashback for a few months now. And what I personally love about them is just how easy it is to use because whenever I'm in the mood to shop, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I get super laser focused and like, I just wanna get right to shopping. Top Cashback doesn't feel like an extra step that takes too long. It's so easy to use. It makes it very quick, fast, and easy so that I can just get straight to shopping and again, make money while doing it. So if you guys wanna go ahead and sign up for Top Cashback through my link, I will go ahead and leave it in the description box. You will get $10 just for signing up when you spend your first $25 through Top Cashback. So make sure to check it out. I'm absolutely obsessed with them and I know you guys will love them as well. So let's go ahead and get into the favorites. The first one that I have here is this sweater. I almost knocked over my light. I have this sweater here that I'm obsessed with. I gotta say, I have to give a shout out for my sister for this one actually. She got me this one for Christmas and I'm just obsessed with it. As soon as I opened it up, I was like, yes, you know me, sis, because this is such a me sweater. I don't know, I really love like the zipper because then I can pull it up or pull it down when I'm feeling a little like, I don't know, I love the variety and it's just such a easy piece to style up or also just be super dressed down and just literally run errands in it or wear it around the house. Or you can dress it up a little bit, you know, wear some jewelry, wear some cute leggings and some sneakers. Like, I live in sweaters, you guys know that about me, so I just love this one. And this sweater is eligible for the Top Cashback as well, so I think that that's awesome. Yeah, I get mine in the size medium. They come in different colors, so right now I'm wearing the gray. So I actually found these dresses on Amazon a while back and I forgot to share them with you guys, but they are so like amazing. Look at them, like how adorbs. So originally I was looking for like a tight bodycon zip up neon pink dress but I came across this one and I fell in love and then I saw that they had it in black, so I was like, ooh, I need the black one as well. And to be honest with you, I actually haven't worn this pink one yet because I was so in love with the black that I ended up wearing the black one first. But these are so nice, you guys. They fit so good and honestly they're really cute to wear in the summer with a pair of sneakers. Like, I think they're adorable. You can just zip it down and show a little bit of cleavage too if it's hot. Like, I just feel like it's so cute. I actually wore the black one in a get ready with me, I think in like July or something like that, and you guys loved it. I still have to wear the pink one. It's just winter came and snuck up on me. But yeah, you guys will probably see me in this soon since spring is sneaking up on us now. And I think I got these in a medium. So the next thing I have from Amazon, this is really random, but it's like a favorite of mine, is this shower caddy. I know, really random, but it's honestly a staple for me because I use this every time I do like my full pamper routine. My shower, unfortunately, doesn't have like a built-in little shelf nook, like, you know, those really cute, like bougie, like built-in tiled shower shelves. I want one of those. I might in the future renovate my shower and do like marble and maybe I'll like, you know, do a shower niche. Is it called niche? Yeah, shower niche shelf, whatever. I might do that in the future and be all bougie, but until then, my only other option was to get one of those like shower caddies that you hang over the thing, but I just don't like how messy they look, to be honest with you. I don't like when the products are sitting out on display because it just looks messy. Like, look at how many different colored bottles I have here. It's messy. I want my bathroom to be aesthetic at all times. That's just how I am. So I don't want my products to show. In the future, if I did do a shower shelf that was all pretty, I honestly would buy aesthetic bottles and put all of my different products in those bottles and like label them so that it looked neat. I cannot live with like having all this showing all the time. So I was trying to think of like a solution, and I'm like, I need something I can just take and bring with me into the shower every single time, but it still be convenient. I didn't want it to be like annoying or like, oh my God, I have to grab this, grab that. So I figured, why don't I just get a little shower caddy? This is also great for, actually, a lot of people advertise it for like dorm use. Like if you're a college student and you live in a dorm or something, this is actually perfect. But for me, my shower is right in front of my cabinet, so it's really not a big deal. I literally open the cabinet, grab it, walk to the shower, and there's everything I need in here for my shower. We got my shampoos, we have my foot scrub, shaver, body lotion, hair mask, like everything is in here. And it doesn't get damaged because it's like made for water, like, you know what I mean? So I also love that there's holes in this one, so it doesn't hold water, it doesn't sit in there, and then you have like a puddle of water in your bucket. So this is just the perfect shower caddy for those of you who kind of want to switch from having all your products showing to having it be in a nice little caddy. So the next thing I want to give a quick shout out to is my vlog camera tripod. I get asked, to be honest with you, quite a lot actually, what tripod I use for vlogging, and I always use this Joby tripod. I just really like the feet are very adjustable. It rotates like any which way you need it to be. You can like wrap it around stuff. I've wrapped it around my faucet, my sink faucet right here when I was filming. I've also wrapped it around my car steering wheel. Like, I like how it can wrap around things. I do also use the Joby suction cup when I'm vlogging in the car to stick it on my windshield. It's made for a GoPro, but literally it comes with, all you have to do is take off the GoPro head, and it comes with the regular tripod screw head for your camera. So yeah, I love the Joby tripods for vlogging, and I always just buy them on Amazon. So since we're kind of on the topic of like electronics and tech and stuff like that, I am gonna in the future do a full updated filming studio setup, but I just purchased these lights on Amazon and I am obsessed with them. So I've been needing more background lights. In the past, I've always used one background light, but now that I moved into my new home, my studio is pretty big. It's a pretty big studio, especially compared to what I had before. What I had before was literally, I'm not exaggerating, it was a 10 by 11. Yeah, it was a 9 by 10. I think it was 9 by 10 room. I'm trying to remember the floor plan. It was a 9 by 10 room, and my new studio is a 12 by 17 foot room. So it's way bigger. So there's a lot of depth of field as well, which leaves the background sometimes looking dark. So I really wanted to light up my background. So I had to go from one background light to 3 background lights. So I figured, you know what, Amy, like, what's the point of going and buying like $1,000 lights just for your background? So I was like, let me check out what's on Amazon and see what has good reviews. This one had really good reviews. This is the, I think it's just called Godox. That's the brand. Yeah, Godox SL60W light, and I absolutely love it. It comes with a remote control, which is always important for me. I will no longer use lights that do not connect to a remote control. It's just inefficient, it's inconvenient. It's just, there's no point in that when you can easily control it. I can't show you guys right now because it's not plugged in, but yeah, this is really great. I have it set up on this little tripod that I also got from Amazon. I will link this down below. This is very sturdy. It's actually sturdy enough to carry this light and sit up on a table, which is really cool. So yeah, I really like this. I did mention in the last few videos, you guys are probably gonna be like, but wasn't this the light that was turning off and on? This was the light in one of my videos that for some reason kept turning off after a few seconds, and I thought I got a bad light, but I didn't. I accidentally had a setting that was making it set to turn off after like 15 seconds, I think it was, or something like that. So that was like totally my bad. I really love these lights. They have amazing reviews on Amazon, very good quality. Oh, and best thing, it's like in my face, best thing about it, only $200, like amazing. And it does come with that little white diffuser to put on top so that the light is softer and not so like harsh and spotlight-y. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is this really cool, ooh, I should have like, yeah, it's like a little bit dirty. Okay, so just ignore that, you guys, but whatever. This is my facial steamer. I figured I've seen a lot of people use facial steamers to give themselves like a little at-home facial, and I kind of got in the mood to try to give myself a little at-home facial. So I purchased this and I really love it. It's just a good old facial steamer. It works, it's a good price, and I like that it's all white because it matches my bathroom aesthetic, the vibes, the aesthetic is right. And then it actually, what I loved about this one was it came with, I can't remember which one it came with. Oh, this one. It came with the little blackhead remover tools, which I loved because that's what I kind of wanted it for. I want it so that I can be able to like remove pimples or whiteheads or blackheads. And I did want more though, like even more tools, more variety. So I picked up this from Amazon by a different brand. And when you open it up, it has so many different blackhead tools for you to remove any whiteheads or blackheads with. Yeah, I love that for like at-home facials. So I never used to have plants, but I kind of just really have gotten into them. I feel like they, one, are super, like they match my decor and my aesthetic, but two, I love how they purify the air, and I feel like my home feels so much more, like the air feels so much more clean, especially because we also have a humidifier built into the house now. But anyways, I got this water can from Amazon, which I love this one specifically because it's clear. I wanted a clear one. A lot of them weren't clear. It was kind of hard for me to find one, but I really like this one that I got. It has a really long spout, I guess you would call it. And I have a lot of large plants, so I wanted one that was large enough. I mean, one of my plants literally takes 3 liters of water, like 2.5 liters of water, and this is only 1 liter. But I mean, how big of a jug could I even really carry? So I love that this is 1 liter because then I only have to fill it up 2 to 3 times for the bigger plants and once for like the medium size plants. But anyways, I just love this one. I love the style. It's black but clear, so I can see how much water is inside of it. I feel like that was kind of important for me. A lot of them weren't clear. This is pretty basic. It's just like a little measuring tool for me to see. You stick it into your plants and it tells you if your plants are dry or moist or if you've wet them too much. So I love that because sometimes I can't remember when the last time I watered, or I can't, like, you don't want to guess if your plants need water or not. So you just stick this in, and if it's dry, then you water it. This is really important. I actually showed this on Instagram, and I got so many messages of you guys like obsessed and loving this. This is actually a mist bottle. Ready? You guys are gonna see this. Well, you could probably barely see that, but the mist is so fine on this bottle, and I love it because I actually use this to mist my plants. Plants really like to be humid, and winter air tends to be pretty dry. Now my home does have a humidifier, and it's good enough for me. Like my skin isn't dry, my home is moist enough for me, but the plants want to be more moist. So I will mist their leaves, and they love it. So I use this a lot for my fiddle leaf fig, for my ficus, green island, and for my peace lily sensation. So yeah, I love this. Oh, and a lot of you guys, when I showed this, actually have started using this for setting sprays. So a lot of you have actually started putting your makeup setting sprays in this bottle and using it to set your face. And I'm like, oh my God, such a good idea, because the mist on this is so fine. So good. You can even make your homemade little concoction here, like makeup setting sprays, like mix your favorite ones. I don't know. It's just, I love it for misting my plants. Oh, and I also I bought another set that's like clear, and it came with like a pack of 3. I'll also link that down below. But I also bought more because I use it for my hair now too. Whenever I need to wet my hair, if I'm blow drying it with the Revlon thing, Revlon dryer thing. Oh, I should have mentioned that as another Amazon favorite. Do you see where I'm getting here, you guys? Yeah, so I'm gonna link that down below. I'm obsessed. Also, the Revlon hair dryer, I have shared it so many times with you guys already. I don't have it with me right now. It's upstairs. I completely forgot about it. I've shared it so much with you guys, but I'm obsessed with that. It gives me like an at-home blowout in under like 15 minutes. And it's very easy to use. So I will link that down below as well. Okay, next thing I want to mention is this grilling pan right here. Now this is a little bit of a weird favorite because I didn't get this from Amazon. Now I know you guys are probably like, but this is an Amazon favorites, girl. You can't do us like that. I'm really sorry, but the reason why I wanted to kind of sneak this in here, I did not buy this from Amazon. I bought this from HomeSense, but I wanted to sneak this on here because there are alternatives that I found on Amazon. So I'm gonna link them for you guys. The reason why I wanted to specifically like really mention this product is because when I showed this on my Instagram story, I got so many messages like, oh my God, where did you get that pan? So I figured you guys seem to be really into it, so I wanted to give it another shout out. There's a lot of really great alternatives on Amazon. I will link them. I love how this one also has the foldable handle because it's really easy to store. And I cook a lot of things on here. I grill steak, chicken. You can make grilled sandwiches. Like, I love, love, love this. I actually like this. I know a lot of you guys have been following me for a while probably, and you used to see me use the, damn, I've been filming for a while. The monitor says 28 minutes. I used to use the at-home indoor grill, which was great, and I liked that, but it was such a big piece and it was kind of hard to clean after a while. You have to clean the sides, you have to clean the top, you have to clean the bottom, you have to clean the tray. Like, it was just a whole thing, you know? This is so easy. Like, I still get to grill, I get the grill marks, I get the whole grill taste and feel, but just with one single pan, a lot easier to store, a lot easier to clean, simple, and does the job. So I love this. I will link it down below. Okay, so this is really heavy, so I'm only gonna hold it up for a few seconds for you guys because I cannot. I have really been loving my Instant Pot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have yet to like really experiment and try different recipes with it, but I've really been using it to make rice. And I love that because when I was searching for a rice cooker, I found that it was kind of hard to find a good variety. So I was thinking to myself, is rice cookers going out of style or something? Not out of style, but like out of, I don't know, because every time I searched up rice cooker, I found a lot of Instant Pots. So I was like, okay, so that's what kind of made me buy the Instant Pot to make my rice in, and I've been loving it because you don't have to put as much water as you normally would with a rice cooker. It's like a 1-to-1 ratio rather than a 1-to-2, which that's not even an issue, but what I love about it is it actually cuts the rice cooking time down by 10 minutes. I can make rice in my Instant Pot in 15 minutes, whereas with the rice cooker, it takes 25 to 30 minutes. So I love that. I can make rice in 15 minutes. So I've really been enjoying my Instant Pot for that. Again, not gonna lie, I have not experimented and really tried any other recipes in the Instant Pot, which I definitely will. I'm gonna YouTube some like Instant Pot recipes. I'm gonna check the recipe booklet that came with it. And one day when I'm feeling, you know, explorative, I will do that, but not today. I know a lot of people make some really great recipes in there. Chili, stew, slow cooked meat, like you can make so many things, but I use it for rice and I love it. A lot of you guys ask me how I make my rice, so there it is. Yeah, we're pretty much getting to the end of the video. Last thing I do want to say is I did just place an order on Amazon like 2 days ago, and I was hoping it was going to come in time so I could share with you guys, but it did not come in time. So I actually placed an order for splatter screens. I'm going to still link it down below if you guys are interested. But on Instagram story, I was cooking and I was covering the pot but still leaving some room for it to steam so it didn't steam up too much because I didn't want the oil to splatter everywhere. And a lot of you messaged me like, hey, they sell something called splatter screens. And I was like, I have literally never heard of that. So pretty much what it is, it's for you to put on top of your food so that it doesn't splatter all over your kitchen and get everything dirty, but it still lets the heat out. So it's not gonna create too much moisture inside. So I was like, wow, that's really cool. So I ended up placing an order for some, so I will link that down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for my Amazon must-haves. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to sign up for Top Cashback. I will leave my link down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah.